Hello friends, a very good day to all of you. Today I'm back with a simple summer salad for you. We are going to make minty watermelon salad. Now in summer we always want to eat something very light and simple. Spicy food should be avoided. We should add more fruits to our diet, especially watermelon. It has 92% water content, so it keeps us hydrated. So we should try to make more and more recipes with fruits. Salads are the best thing to have. So in the upcoming videos, I will try to post more summer recipes. So today let's proceed to make this minty watermelon salad. Minty watermelon salad. A perfect one to have in summer. It's so refreshing and keeps you hydrated because of the water content in the fruit. Delicious. For this, we'll need watermelon, 1, use as required. Handful of mint leaves, salt to taste, lemon 1, crushed black pepper 1/4 teaspoon, roasted cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon, or you can use chaat masala instead. Now we'll cut the fruit into halves. Try to cut it into 2 equal halves. Looks nice and ripe. Using a scooper, scoop out small roundels. These look very pretty. If you don't have a scooper, you can just cut into small pieces. Now scooping is done. I have tried to remove all the seeds. Now we are going to serve this in the shell. Cut out a small portion from the base so that it can stand well. Just a tiny little piece will do. Make sure you don't make a hole. Perfect. Now using a sharp knife, we'll cut the rim in zigzag manner. Remove the pieces in between. This will look more presentable when you serve. So this is done now. Lovely. The carved watermelon bowl is ready. Now let's do the mixing. First, cut out the mint leaves into the bowl. Mint combination is very good with watermelon. Mint is the only herb that goes well with fruits, especially watermelon and pineapple. It has lovely taste and aroma. Add little salt. Roasted cumin powder, little bit. Tiny little spoon will do. And black pepper. Squeeze out some lemon juice, 1 or 2 tablespoons as you like. Give it a nice mix. Be gentle so that the fruit doesn't break. Now we are going to transfer this into the carved watermelon bowl. Well presented dishes are always more enjoyable. Here we go. Nice refreshing watermelon salad is ready. Enjoy it chilled. Such refreshing salads are always best for the summer season. Do check out the watermelon raita recipe also. I will share the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos as well. You might like them too. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye. Take care.